With Real Madrid languishing fourth in La Liga, President Florentino Perez is plotting an attacking overhaul that could spell the end for the BBC. According to Marca, Cristiano Ronaldo, Gareth Bale and Karim Benzema have the rest of the season to prove their future belongs. The Madrid but Perez will almost certainly sanction an attacking overhaul in the summer. And if Madrid have their way, Neymar, Hazard and Robert Lewandowski will be trying their trade at the Santiago Bernabeu next season. Real Madrid are targeting Neymar as part of a planned summer attacking overhaul. Chelsea's 27-year-old attacker Hazard is also on the risk hit list for the summer. The Spanish giants could also table an offer for Bayern Munich striker Robert Lewandowski. Despite joining the French champions for a world £198 in transfer fee from the fierce rivals Barcelona, Neymar has been continually linked to the switch to the Spanish capital. The 25-year-old has scored 18 in 21 since moving to France, and his proven La Liga pedigree would unquestionably add dimension to the attacking force. Chelsea talisman Hazard has been in electrifying form at Stamford Bridge this season and has scored 9 times in 28 games for Antonio Conte's side. Cristiano Ronaldo and Madrid have endured an underwhelming season in Spain so far. Bale's Madrid are currently 4th in La Liga, which may instigate a summer spending spree. The Belgium international has been a long-term target for Madrid but only last week said he is likely to sign a new Chelsea contract after teammate and goalkeeper Thibaut Courtois commits to the club. "I think Thibaut first. Then I will sign," Hazard told the Mirror. Poland captain Lewandowski has spearheaded Bayern Munich's front line since 2014. When he won 3 Bundesliga titles and scored over 150 goals in the German league. The 29-year-old's present deal with the German champions runs until 2021. But he turned 30 in August, and his age could restrict how much Madrid are willing to pay for him. Benzema, Bale and Ronaldo have until the summer to establish their future worth at Madrid. Their former company president Florentino Perez sanctioned a big summer spending spree, but it had also been heavily linked with Tottenham striker Harry Kane. The London club are adamant that based on he will not leave under any circumstance. Last week, Chairman Daniel Levy told Sky Sports, "I am 100% confident every single player that we want to keep, I can assure you, will be playing for Tottenham Hotspur next season." Zinedine Zidane's men play Leganés in a Copa del Rey quarter-final on Thursday, before hosting Deportiva on Saturday in La Liga.